Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, fail to connect to server with error of connection timed out waiting for a response from the peer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So this problem has multiple solutions, so I'll show you 2 to 3 solutions. The first solution is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to right here view network connections, and then you're going to right click on your network connection. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet, and if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. So just right click on your network connection, click properties, and then click on to Internet Protocol version 4, click properties, click use the following DNS server addresses, write on here 1.1.1.1, and in the alternate DNS you're going to write 1.0.0.1. After that click OK, and then scroll down, untick Internet Protocol version 6. After that click OK, and then open it up again, and now you're going to go into properties. You're going to click on to configure on client for Microsoft Networks, and then you're going to click on to advanced. After that you're going to scroll down and find priority and VLAN. Here it is. Click on to priority and VLAN, make sure to disable it. After that click on rec segment coalescing and then disable it. Click on to the IPv6 version as well, disable it as well. After that click OK, and then close this up. After that you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you're going to write here date and time, and now you're going to make sure that your date and time and your time zone are synced with the internet, because if they are not synced, then your computer has trouble connecting to the internet. So just set your time zone. After that click set time automatically, and then click sync now. Wait for it to sync. Once it's done syncing, now you can try to play Hytale and you will see that your game will now work correctly. You will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.